Runpaq means gaining three major advantages: outstanding system integration of ice thermal storage, combined with advanced automation technology, ensuring an undeniable edge in bidding, extensive project experience, with numerous successful ice storage integration projects that many competitors simply cannot match. Strong HVAC engineering capabilities, filling gaps left by equipment manufacturers and delivering significant value to the overall project. Ultimately, Runpaq was awarded the contract to provide the automation system for the energy station, proving once again our strength in ice thermal storage solutions.